Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to curve text in Canva. So to start with, open up your Canva design. Then we're going to add some text. So I'm just going to click on heading for now. I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm going to move it up and write my words in. Change the font. Obviously, you put in whatever font you want. Then to get that curve effect, we select the text so it's got the box around it. Then we're going to click on effects. From there, scroll down and you should see a section that says shape. So I'm going to click on that, and that's the curve effect. From there, you can adjust the curve, make it greater or less by using the slider. So I can make it really curved or make it curved the other way. So this is really useful, say if you want your text to sit around like a circle or a circular shape. So something like, I'm going to find a world. So I'm going to put that into my design. Move the text up, and then I can add more of a curve to get the text to curve sort of around the world. So there you go. I think that looks pretty cool. So that's how to curve text in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.